So here you guys can see it's an old Roman theater, which was of course built by Roman Empire before Arabs and Visigoths. Once is this fort was being built by Romans, and then it was like after Roman Empire it comes Visigoths, and then Muslims. When Muslim came, they rebuilt it, reconstructed, and it was used for their defense system. So अभी यहाँ पे it's just like a fort for visitors, and yeah, thanks to the Spanish government that they built it really well, and they kept it as their history, and still thousands of people each day do come and visit that place. As you can see, many people waiting. I also have to go inside, but it seems a bit difficult, but we will still. So yeah. So let's get into. So that's a good point कि आज weather अच्छा है and many people are here on the streets. In general, it's really hot. In a normal sunny day, it goes around 36-37 degrees, which is pretty much hot for locals to visit, and especially for tourists. So as already I mentioned, it was a Roman theater over there, where they used to sit, enjoy, and have their performances and everything. So, and this is the entrance of Alcazaba. We will enter in a while now. Just waiting for my friends to come and join me, so we can go together. It's beautiful, indeed it's beautiful. It's a big queue line here. This is one of the most busiest and beautiful touristic attraction in this city. So definitely everyone likes to come. You can see a big line over there, and if I can see, yep, indeed it is. Let's see how much we have to wait to get our tickets and to be inside. So guys, before getting in, I will just like to explain a bit of historic background of Alcazaba, which was generally built in 11th century by Arabic dynasty like the Moors, and it was reconstructed after Reconquista, and and later on it kept under some renovations according to the time. And yeah, I can genuinely say that it's the most refined castles I have ever seen till now. I mean, still my favorite in all of Spain is like Alhambra. If you guys didn't know about that or you don't know about that, you must check and try to visit. It's a really amazing place to visit. It was also built by Moors. And yeah, let's see. Now we are just waiting for our ticket. We are in the ticket line, and soon we are going to buy the tickets and we will check inside. So this is all structure of this fortified castle. So it starts, I think so, yeah, like this is all compound. There are two compounds and there's a garden between them. And yes, I guess this is Roman theater. Sorry, this was Roman theater. Yep. In front you can see it's Alcazaba. This is the structure of Alcazaba. And yeah, we're gonna visit it very soon now. So guys, we have our tickets and now we are heading towards main part, castle itself. And here you can see the walls. These are the walls maybe. यहाँ पे soldiers खड़े होके अपनी हिफाजत किया करते थे. I mean like जगह की. And it's really easy to throw arrows and other things who is trying to cross the border line. Here we have some really good view of sea from here. Another top view, and if I'm not wrong, here we have theater, a really famous theater of Malaga, where they also have their bullfightings and traditional sports. It's tiring.
Can you imagine that I get more sweaty with this kind of weather rather than the weather like yesterday?
Yeah, it's more because of humidity factor. So guys, we are inside. It's not regular path. It's really steepy. Sometimes it's really up and down, and it's a bit tiring, but it's nice to walk. We can see some really good things inside. And yep, it's going good for now. But yes, I must appreciate people as well. No, even in journal, like people are respecting rules and regulations, which is really important to keep the things more functioning and working. And yep, so good so far.
Patio de armas.
Oh, here we are in a garden. It's some sort of garden. You guys can see on my back.
Everybody has that. Actually, it's something interesting. Where gunpowder comes from?